Hey guys, next up I'm going to show you guys how to refill your small gas or propane tank from another cylinder, usually a bigger one. Best will be to the donor cylinder, which will be the bigger one in this case. If you were to let it just be in a warmer situation or climate, or in the sun or somewhere, just so it can heat up slightly, and have the receiving cylinder to be colder, it works much better. But it will still work whether they're the same temperature or not. It'll just end up with less gas in the cylinder. It won't fill up to the top. And of course, in this case, gas is a dangerous material, so please use common sense as far as possible. The pipe I made up from proper fittings that I've bought, proper pipe also, the tubing, so it can handle the pressures, and it's made for this job. And now you just, after all the fitting is nice and tight, just open the donor cylinder first, and then the receiving cylinder also. You can hear the gas flowing. Now of course this can be overfilled, so again, it doesn't have to go all the way to the top. Just put maybe half of it in. When you can feel the weight, it's quite heavy, it's enough. Don't take chances and overfill it. You can hear it slowing down a bit. Now these are both the same temperature, so then it's less likely to make a mistake, I'd say, because it won't fill too much. So I'm going to leave it for a couple of seconds more, then I'm going to close them, because I have another one to fill up also. But I'm just going to show this one, just so you can see how easy it is to fill a gas cylinder from another one. But of course, the donor cylinder has to be upside down, because you want to pull liquid from it, and the receiving one can be straight up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Just on second thoughts, the best way to do this, of course, would be to use a scale, maybe a refrigeration scale or electronic scale, because on the cylinder it is stamped how much weight it can take of liquid. So if you check that out and put it on a scale, then you can be sure not to overfill it. That will be much safer. And also, just when you're done, first close the donor cylinder, the one where you're getting the gas from, and then afterwards just leave it for a few seconds so it can empty, the tubing can empty into the smaller cylinder, receiving one. And then after say a minute or so, you can close that one up also, so all the liquid would have gone out of it, and it should be empty, and you can disconnect the fitting.